Today, you will learn how to insert one Word document into another Word document in the easiest way possible. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First, open your main document where you want to insert the other file. Place your cursor exactly at the position where you want the second document to appear. Now go to the Insert tab at the top ribbon. In the Text section, click on the Object drop-down menu and choose Object. A small window will open. Go to the Create from File tab. Here, you can either type the path of the document in the File Name box or click on Browse to locate your Word file. After selecting the file, check the option called Link to File and then click OK. You will now see the content of the second document inside your current document. When you click on it, you will notice a border around the content. This is because it is added as an object inside a text box. You can move it anywhere, resize it, and adjust it according to your layout. The biggest advantage of this method is that if you double-click this object, it will open the original document. Any changes you make in the original file and save will automatically update in this document as well. You just have to press this Update Link option. Now, let's see another way using an icon instead of showing the whole content. Place your cursor where you want to insert the file. Again, go to the Insert tab, click on Object, and choose Object. Go to Create from File and browse for your document. This time, check the option Display as Icon. You can also click on Change Icon if you want to choose a different icon style. Click OK, and you will see a small icon inside your document. When you click this icon, it will open the connected Word document. This method is very useful when you don't want to show all the content, but still want to attach the document inside your file. If you want to remove it later, simply select the icon and press the Delete key. The third method is for people who just want to bring all the text from another document into the current one without creating any link. Place your cursor where you want the text. Go to the Insert tab, click on the Object drop-down and choose Text from File. A file window will open. Select your Word document and click Insert. Instantly, all the text from that document will appear in your current document as normal text. You can edit it, format it, delete parts of it, and treat it exactly like you typed it yourself. Remember, this method does not create any connection between the two files. If you change the original document later, it will not update here. So now you know 3 powerful ways to insert a Word document into another Word document. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and watch more easy Microsoft Word tutorials on this channel to improve your skills step by step.